panayam, balita at iba pa.
Welcome back sa ating Barangay New Zealand na napapanood po dito sa PSTV Plus. Ako po yung kaibigan sa inyong papawirin, yung Direk Rene. Magandang gabi, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. In our continuing series of the candidates for the Miss Philippines New Zealand 2024, ay meron na naman po tayong makakapanayam, makakatsikahan. At ito po ay mula sa unang syudad na aking tinirhan dito po sa Aotearoa, New Zealand. Siya po ay representante ng Waikato Filipino Association, no? At I got involved with that group also nung ako'y nakatira sa Hamilton. Kaya without much further ado ay pasok na natin sa stream ang ating panauhin, si Jana. Hi Jana!
Hi everyone! Hi po!
Kumusta na si Jana? How are you, Jana?
Okay lang po. Have
Okay.
been a busy day. How about you po?
Okay naman. Hindi, mas medyo relax ng konti kasi we are on school holidays. I'm a college teacher. Pero kayo sa uni, wala, di ba? You are already, tapos na yung study break nyo, di ba? Ano na, patapos na.
Wala na po, yeah. Ongoing
kasi-
work. But that's okay.
Kasi you are studying at the Waikato University. You are graduating
Yes,
from the
po.
Waikato University.
Yes,
So anong course, anong yung kinukuha?
So I major po in industrial design. Ano po siya? Parang product design. It's a combination of design and engineering. And minor rin po ako ng marketing. So I know how to market the potential products that I would make in the future to
Oh,
my
wow.
target audience po.
Oh, that's good. Did you take up product design as a subject nung nasa high school ka? Kasi alam ko, ino-offer sa high school din yan eh.
Hindi po.
I mean, yung
We
basic
didn't-
lang, yung basic.
No, unfortunately po, wala po kung subject na ganun sa high school. I took painting lang po na related. And like mga
art,
science subjects, yeah.
Bakit mo pinili? Why did you choose itong course na to? No? Yung product design and marketing. Bakit?
Actually po, I was interested in architecture. But if I were to do architecture, that would need to be out of town. And I'm not ready for something too far and financially like expensive. So my mom actually helped me find industrial design. And when I saw it, I was like, oh, that's actually really interesting because I'm a pretty hands-on person. And as I started learning more about it, I got to learn that like I can create products that help people's in their everyday lives. Like, kunyari, I have a problem with the kitchen. I can think of a way to design a product that would help me with that problem. Same thing with other industries like healthcare, mga healthcare products, or
Okay.
even automotive po. But yeah, it's pretty wide variety po.
Oh, that's good. That's good to know. Ano lang tayo, backtrack ng konti. You're born in the Philippines, no?
Yes po.
Saan ka lumaki sa Philippines?
Sa Taguig po. Near BGC, yeah.
Yung Bonifacio Global City, no?
Opo.
And your parents are from Taguig also?
Yes po.
Okay. So doon ka lumaki, doon ka nag-high school or part of high school or hindi, elementary lang siguro, no?
Nakatapos po ako hanggang grade 6. Tapos that's when I moved here na po sa New Zealand.
Sa New Zealand, okay. And, how did you find it? Kumusta yung transition from the Philippines to New Zealand? How
New
was it?
Zealand. At first po, it was a challenge kasi syempre po yung language barrier and it's not my first language. And you know how sa Philippines po, our English is from American English?
Oh, yes, that's right.
But
Oo.
here po, it's more on like British, not British, like Europe English.
British,
And some of the words and terms are different, and spelling rin po is different,
tama.
and slang. And it's funny as well because I remember my first day sa high school po. I'm like, where's the CR? And I'm like, but they're like, what's CR? Like, you mean toilet? I was like, yeah. I was like, oh.
Mga
But yeah.
yun nga ang toilet medyo common pa sa atin, eh. Yung minsan loo, sasabihin
Mm.
natin, "I'm going to the loo." Parang gano'n,
To
'di
the
ba?
loo, yeah. I learned
Kasi
that here. I was like, what's loo? But that's when I was new po. But that's okay
oo.
now.
Ah, I had the same problem kasi gano'n din,
Mm.
my journey with Aotearoa was I was a tutor, no, I was a teaching fellow at the University of Waikato.
Hmm.
At ang bibilis kasi nila magsalita, 'di ba? Yung mga Kiwi
Yes
mabibilis. So at the
po, yeah.
beginning, parang ang hirap hirap mong hagilapin. Tapos magtatawanan sila. Eh
Opo.
hindi ko alam kung anong di tatawa na rin lang ako tapos iisipin ko, "Ha, ano kaya yung
I
hanggang sa
understand that feeling.
oo,
Did you
hanggang after
also
a
feel
while
ano rin po, yung how, because New Zealand's very diverse. Like everyone,
mhm,
iba rin po yung accent, 'di ba? Like
correct,
you have to get used to that. But it's okay now. It's pretty cool.
mm. At ang isang adjustment ginawa ko sa university, they will call you by their first name, eh. Hindi
Mm.
ka sir, hindi ka ano, basta
Yes,
Rene
yes
ka,
po.
gano'n. So
Yes
that
po.
was a bit of ano sa'kin. Pero after a while, you get used to it. Sabi nga nila,
Mm.
kung nasaan ka, then you have to adjust to it, no?
Mm.
Do what the Romans do if you're in
Opo.
Rome. So parang gano'n. And after a while, you get the hang of it, no? Lalo na kayo,
Yes
mga
po.
bata, no? High school ay mabilis yung mapipick up yun.
Mm.
Have you gone back to the Philippines mula nung dumating ka 2017?
Hindi pa po. Haven't had
Hindi
the
pa.
chance to.
Mhm.
But that's okay.
So,
We get to
so
talk to our family members there every now and then naman po.
kasi ang laki na siguro ng development dyan sa yung BGC,
Mm.
yung mga ganun, no?
Yes
Kasi
po. So much
ah,
renovations.
yung mga sa
Mm.
Ortigas, yung mga Makati, ganun.
Mm.
So much, so many things. But
Opo.
you plan to go home also one of these days.
Yes po, of course, with my family. Pag afford po. But hopefully, sometime soon, when I
Oo nga eh.
graduate, when I start working full-time po, I can save up more for it po.
Ang mahal kasi ng airfare kasi walang direct flight, so we have to pass through
Mm.
either Australia o kung saan, and it takes
Stopovers, yeah.
time. Yeah, oo, ganun. Are
Mm.
you the eldest in the family, Jana?
Mm. Second po.
Second, okay,
Mm.
oo. So, if you left 2015, you were there in
2017.
2017.
Opo.
Oh, nandyan pa ako, pero I was about to leave Hamilton already, no?
Mm.
Probably, I will know your mom by face, siguro kung ano, 2015 nandiyan pa siya. But anyway, so now you join, teka, have you joined other pageants before this one? Before
No,
itong,
not po. This is my very first time po.
oh, ano nang tumulak sa'yo para pumasok sa larangan ng, ano ba tawag dyan? Pageantry. Yeah.
Um, I heard it from a friend po, and when I heard about it, at first I was like, "Oh, that sounds cool. It sounds like a cool experience to get to know
Mhm.
not just myself, but also how I can like
Mhm.
make a meaningful impact po to the people." And
Mhm.
it's also like to grow individually po ba rin and improve. At first, I was like, oh, sige nga, try ko lang. But if I don't get chosen, kasi syempre po, there's other women that wants to join within here po in Hamilton. I'm like,
Mhm.
okay lang if I don't get chosen. But since I got
Mm.
chosen, I'm like, oh, wow, this is such a great opportunity. I will do my best. And
Mhm.
hopefully rin po, yung journey po ba, yung experience ng pageant,
Mm.
yung sisterhood between the
Yeah.
candidates, what
Mhm.
that I see whenever I watch like Miss Universe, Miss
Mhm.
or Binibining, and I'm like, wow, such like a cool experience. You get to meet so much people and
That's
you
right.
learn from them
Oo.
as well. And
Mhm.
yeah, I just thought I'd give it a try po.
Oh, wow. So, good luck. Good luck for that part of the journey, no? Kasi for a while, I think, I don't know kung sa Hamilton ba yon, may mga ibang places nagiging dalawa yung kandidata nila, no? Parang gano'n.
Opo.
Oo.
I heard I think last year po ba? I think dalawa
Last
yung
year. Oh,
Hamilton. I'm not
okay.
sure. I might be wrong. But yeah. Mm.
Kasi nung I got involved with the cultural and pageant part of Labor Weekend when it was held in Hamilton
Hamilton
2008
po. Ooh,
and
yeah.
2011. Ang nanalo ng 2008 si Danica, no? Danica
Mm.
is half Filipino, half Kiwi. Do you know Danica? Kilala mo si Danica?
Ano po last name? Sorry.
Hibdich ang apelyido niya. Hindi ko alam kung nag-asawa na yata siya ngayon. But
Hindi po,
Danica
sorry.
won the Miss Philippines New Zealand 2008.
2008. That's
Yeah, and
cool.
I understand she studied fashion design sa Wintec yata, no? Fashion
Wintek.
design.
Here
But
po in Hamilton.
dyan sa Hamilton. But
Ah, okay.
what I understand was she became a police officer, no? Hindi ko alam kung hanggang ngayon ay nasa New Zealand Police pa rin siya.
Hmm.
And she was stationed minsan dyan sa Hamilton at minsan na checkpoint nga ako. So si Danica
Wow.
nga ang
Siya
naka
po yung nag-checkpoint sa'yo?
hindi kasi 'di ba yung galing akong
Opo.
Narwahiya yata yun eh, yung parang
Yeah.
nag-ano sila diyan. So that is I mean she's very articulate. She was
Mm.
and then I forgot kung sino yung 2011, hindi kami yata nanalo sa WFA, no? But you're right. That journey is especially for young ladies. It's
Mm.
something that will enrich your life, no?
Opo,
Now,
opo.
matanong kita, Jana, uh, if you become the Miss Philippines New Zealand 2024, so this is a platform, what will you do with that platform? How will you use that platform?
How would I use that platform? It's such a
Mhm.
great platform to use po kasi madami pong pwede to
Mhm.
lean towards to.
Mhm.
But if I were to choose, maybe more on education po for
Mhm.
children.
Mhm.
And
Bakit?
not just art po, but overall education of children, like making it better for them so they can have a better future then po.
Mhm. Mhm.
Maybe I would
So,
advocate for that po.
do you have a younger sister?
I have a
Diba?
younger brother po, and then sa
Brother.
Auckland. And then in Auckland po, meron rin po akong like little cousins,
Mm.
7 years old po and 4 years old po.
Mhm. Will you encourage them to join kasi look, nakikita ko ngayon meron na dito and I interviewed some of them, no, yung mga Little Miss New Zealand, Little Miss.
Ay,
So
meron pa din
nagkakaroon
kayo.
na meron, oo, ang organizer nun si Koji na taga Christchurch.
Hmm.
So Koji is a Korean Kiwi. So meron na.
Mm.
So will you encourage your younger siblings or cousins to join a pageant?
Yeah po, why not? If
Mm,
she's interested, yung 7 years old ko pong cousin sa Auckland, if she's
mm.
interested, I'll support her and encourage her to join in.
Okay, so di ba pag ano to yung pageant, meron mga charity, yung parang meron kayong advocacy that you
Mm.
cherish or you do. Ano yung
Mm.
sa'yo? Ano yung charity? Ano yung advocacy mo, Jana?
Unfortunately po, we haven't planned for any charities or
Mhm,
advocacies. But if I were to start planning po for that, I've been thinking of more on volunteering po
mhm.
for the being a tutor for
Oh,
disabilities, for a music tutor
mhm,
for
mhm,
disabled people,
mhm.
and
Ve
also teaching rin po in art because I have experience tutoring little children in art.
mhm.
Maybe I would lean towards that po if I were to plan with WAFA.
Yeah, because you've
WFA,
studied.
sorry.
Wap kaya sabi ko, ano yung WAPA? Meron na ba
Sorry
yung
po,
WIPA?
WFA.
Meron na bang yung WIPA, Filipino Association? But that's very true, Jan, ano? Kasi you
Mm,
did a little bit of art and painting. Art education is it transcends age, cultures and everything. And maganda yan, maganda. I-pursue mo yan, yung art education advocacy. Because that will suit you talaga, no? And then there is hindi naman market. We're not looking at it as a market, but merong need, merong need sa ganyan.
Hmm.
And you were
Opo, it's
saying,
not. It doesn't
yeah, go
have to
ahead.
be like for like a future
Mm-hmm,
career, but more for like creativity and therapy for mental health po,
mm-hmm,
and
mm-hmm,
like how you would think or look at things in a way.
mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You were talking about people with disability. Have you done volunteer work or something similar with people with disability?
No po, but I know someone po that does that, and I was thinking of doing that after uni to gain
Mm-hmm.
experience within that field. And I went to some of their events rin po, and I got to meet some disabled people, and
Oh,
they seem
wow.
really cool and nice po. And
Mm,
seeing that they're happy even with their disability, it's like that's so good to see. They're just having fun, being
mm-hmm.
themselves, and being able to help around in that event po. I think last month. It just brought so much joy, yeah.
Wow, wow, that's so amazing, you know. One of the things that pulled me out of Hamilton, kasi masaya na ako sa Hamilton, kaya lang I got
Hmm.
the opportunity to teach, to pioneer a teaching program here in Auckland for students with intellectual and learning disabilities, no?
Oh,
Mga teenager
what
ito.
school po? What
This
school
was
po?
MSL training dito sa Manukau. So
Ah,
we created a program. Dalawa kami nag-pioneer noon. And these are
hmm.
youth and young adults. So from 16, meron pa nga ako 54-year-old na,
Opo, yes,
eh,
similar po to that. Yeah, very, very similar.
yeah. But prior to that, I also got involved in Hamilton with the Special Olympics. Di ba? Yung mga athletes na ano to na may disability, no? So I got involved with that, and
Mm-hmm.
I had a client. He became what's this? He went to ang Special Olympics nung 2012 ba yun o 2014, I think, was in
Oh,
LA. So pumunta siya. He was part of the New Zealand basketball team, no? So kasi malaki siya eh. So and then there was
wow.
another one who was a swimmer.
Yeah.
So nakita ko yung ano yung Special Olympics at yung camaraderie nila, and going back to teaching with people with learning disabilities, ano eh talagang they are eager to learn, no? Talagang
Yes po, they're motivated and eager to learn
yes,
once
yeah,
they actually start becoming interested in
yes,
that type of field.
that
Yeah.
that that's the operative word, motivated.
Hmm.
Jana, I'm sure this will not be the first and the last time na makakausap kita. We're just scratching the surface in terms of your journey dito sa Miss Philippines New Zealand 2024. I'd like to thank you for accepting the invitation, no?
No, thank you po.
So,
Thank you po for
mm,
this opportunity.
so I know you're
It's so cool
preparing.
getting to know you po.
And I know you're preparing kagabi dapat pero hindi natuloy kasi si Tita Shirley ang nagtuturo ng hi
Okay lang
Shirley.
po.
Si Kumaring Shirley pala ang nagtuturo and she was doing that before, even before, way before pa.
Yes po. She
Ginagawa
told
na
me
nila
so
yan.
many stories, and
Oo,
it's
si
so cool to hear.
Shirley, si Ivy, si Jenny, yan, yung tatlong Maria na yan, yun yung mga naghuhulma ng mga yung mga
Mga
kandidato.
candidates ng
Yes. So good luck, Jana, and good luck
Thank you po.
with your studies. No, I hope to see you. Unfortunately, I won't be able to watch the actual pageant
That's
night
okay po.
because
That's okay.
that is our final thesis
Hmm.
defense ng aking pinag-aaralan. So, but I'll
Good
try to
luck
sneak
po.
in siguro. I'll try to sneak in siguro yung towards the last part na yung Sunday na. 'Di ba Sunday
Sa
ang coronation
Sunday
night?
night po.
Mm,
Yeah, okay po,
yeah.
sige.
Because my
Whenever
friends
po.
from
Good luck po.
Hamilton, from Wellington, they're the ones coming up to film the event, no?
The
So
event. Oh, wow.
hopefully,
Hmm.
i-film nila yan eh. So good luck, Jana. All the best sa
Hmm.
yung ginagawa sa
Maraming salamat po.
pag-aaral
Nice to meet
at
you.
sa mga ibang are you also part of the sports team ng
Hindi po.
Waikato? Hindi. Tsaka
Hindi po.
mahirap na yun, oo.
Mahirap
Kasi
na po.
biro mo umaga,
I am
hapon, nasa sports.
Opo. I'm part of the choir po for sa church here po, the cathedral.
Okay. O
Mm.
sino na yung head ng ano ng music ministry sa choir?
Oh, I'm part po ng DMC choir, Divine Mercy Choir.
Okay. So kasi
Yeah,
may
opo.
mga 'di ba may
Yeah,
mga
iba't iba
araw
pong
na
choir
oo,
groups.
oo,
Yeah, asik.
oo, yung iba-ibang ano. Very dynamic ang ano ang mga Pilipino diyan sa Hamilton, no?
Opo.
I miss a
That's good
lot
to
of
hear.
my friends and just the general vibe, no? Yung parang
Yung close
ano
community po dito sa Hamilton.
that's correct, yeah.
Yeah.
Kaya siguro pag pupunta ako diyon, hindi ko nakilala yung kasi kagaya kayo, yung mga dating maliliit na bata, siyempre tumanda na ako.
Probably
So,
grown up now. Yeah.
malalaki na, oo, oo. So, good luck again, Jana. All the best. And thank you
Po,
for
good night.
joining me. Okay.
Thank you po again. Have a good night and good luck rin po sa thesis niyo.
Good luck din sa iyo at sa lahat ng mga ginagawa mo. Nice kong magpasalamat sa ating mga listeners and viewers for allowing, no? Pinayagan niyo kami ni Jana pumasok sa inyong mga tahanan, sa inyong mga puso sa mga panahon nito. At nang para makilala natin si Jana, kung sino ba si Jana Antenor, ang kandidata ng Waikato Filipino Association para sa Miss Philippines New Zealand 2024. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Take care and
Thank
God
you.
bless.
Good night.
Night.